Today I will be reviewing the Shengshow Mirror Cube, or the Magic Cube. So I think this should be a good cube because Shengshow does good at making non-WCA puzzles. Look, pamphlet. Pamphlet. There we go. I think it tells you how to do it. I can never follow that kind of stuff, so. Garbage. Okay, so here's the cube itself. It comes in some plastic, just one more piece of garbage to clutter our oceans and kill our trees. Don't need that either. Okay, so for the actual cube, I got it in gold instead of silver, and reflection's pretty good. You can't really see in the video. Yeah, you can. It's a pretty cool reflection. You can see me. Oh, kind of right there in my head. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay. It moves kind of interesting. It's not too fast, but it's smooth. It doesn't lock up at all. It's very smooth. Okay, so for just the puzzle in general, looks pretty cool. Okay, so now I see. So now I can't move it like... Oh, no, I can move it like that. Okay, so I don't think it bandages at all. Or it might. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So as you can see, one layer's big, medium-sized one, and small one. And there's no color, so the goal is to just get it back to a normal square shape. Which I think might be easier than a normal 3x3. Of course, that's what everyone says, and then they're fooled. But, I think it should look pretty cool when it's all scrambled up, and, so, looks pretty cool. But yes, again, it turns pretty smoothly, and there's kind of a little bit of a reflection in the inside. That's cool. So, there's no colors, as you can see, and I got it in gold instead of silver, because gold is cool. And so, okay, so that's kind of interesting. There's, like, streaks here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see that. There's, like, little streaks. So, that's cool. And it's, oh, I didn't notice that. So, when you flip it on this side, this is small, medium, and bigger. Okay, so it's not even just this way. It's also this way. I think. Oh, no, this one is, and this one's not. That's kind of confusing. Okay. So, I'll scramble it up. And, again, I'm pretty impressed with how it moves. It doesn't lock up at all. And, okay, wait. One thing. I just want to see if it can corner cut. Yeah, okay, it doesn't corner cut at all, really. So, as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like a retro, like, room. Not really. Not really at all. Okay. So, I think it's pretty cool. And I think you should definitely get one. It's very interesting. So yeah, should be fun to solve. Yeah, I'll probably be able to solve this today if I watch a video on how to do it. It shouldn't be too complicated. See ya.